Hey guys, we're back with another unboxing video. This is my daughter, Willa. Say hi!
Hi.
And I don't know what box we have today, but we're going to see what's in it. So first I got my box cutter there. I'm going to cut through that. Alright. What do you think is in here?
Mary, books.
Books! That's right. Let's see, what do we have in here? The first book we have is Once There Were Giants, the Golden Age of Heavyweight Boxing, which chronicles all the great boxers, including Muhammad Ali and others. Another boxing book, Mike Tyson, Undisputed Truth. So it's about Mike Tyson from his point of view. What do we got, Bula? What is this?
I don't know.
You don't know? This is called How to Play Pool, a beginner's guide to learning pool, billiards, 9-ball, and snooker. So if you're interested in just playing pool, it's a very thin book, really easy book. It looks like all these books in here are sports related. This is called 50 Years, 50 Moments, the most unforgettable plays in Super Bowl history. So when the Super Bowl comes around, you might want to check that out. Pull that one out. What is that?
I don't know. A horse.
A horse! That's right, a horse.
2 horses.
2 horses. This one is called American Pharaoh, the untold story of the Triple Crown winners' legendary rise. So that's about one of our most recent Triple Crown winners. And then we also have the horse that God built, the untold story of Secretariat, the most famous racehorse in history. We've got another horse book. This one's called The Perfect Horse. This is a book that I think a lot of you guys might be interested in. This is called the subtitle is The Daring U.S. Mission to Rescue the Priceless Stallions Kidnapped by the Nazis. So there's actually some horses that were kidnapped, and it's about the mission to save those horses.
What?
How about that? Save the horses. Oh, we got Soccer Under the Swastika, Stories of Survival and Resistance During the Holocaust. This is a biography, the life and career of David Beckham. If you are a fan of David Beckham, you might want to check that out. Another athlete, Steven Gerrard, My Story. So this is his story playing for Liverpool. You're a really good helper. Oh, these are really heavy books. Let's see if you can pick this one up. This is Basketball's Greatest by Sports Illustrated. Can you pick that one up? Look at the camera and say, check this out.
Check that out.
It's heavy, isn't it? It's a heavy book. So that's our unboxing. Will you tell all of our students to check these books out? Say, check these books out.
Check these books out.
Say, please check these books out.
Please check these books out.
What do you think about this guy?
I don't like him.
You don't like him?
I don't like the face on him.
Does he look scary? He's a tough boxer. What about this guy? You like him?
I can marry him.
You want to marry him? Why do you want to marry him?
Because I like him.
Because you like him? Okay. Steven Gerrard, if you're listening, she is a fan. This is David Beckham. What do you think about this guy?
I don't like him.
You don't like him? All right.
I
What, do you have something else you want to say?
Mm-hmm.
What's that?
Goodbye. What do you have to do?